All right, if you've been doing shoulder taps, the shoulder tap exercise, you're having shoulder pain, you're having trouble staying in that plank position and really being able to do it correctly, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you how to do this exercise correctly so you do it well. You can stay in that high plank position, and also a modification you can make. If that's too much for you, you need to progress from there or progress up to that. So stick around. So the kettlebell shoulder tap exercise is an excellent exercise for training. It's basically a plank position, but you're challenging your stabilization as well. All right, so you're in a plank position. All right, but your shoulders are tapping to the sides. All right, shoulder tap, pretty simple, but it's an exercise that you can do to really engage your core. How do you do that? All right, the setup. My three-step system starts with the setup. First, it's a high plank position. So you're in a strong high plank or push-up position, engaging your core, engaging your abs, and being able to hold that as you move your hands back and forth. All right, that's going to challenge your balance and stability, and that's going to come back down to your core as well. All right, so some modifications I have for that if you're having challenges with that. So if you're coming into that plank position, all right, and you're finding it hard to tap your shoulders without falling down, then here's a couple modifications I can give you for that to start out. All right, first one is you can start it on your knees. All right, you can be on your knees. You come into that shoulder tap position or plank position, just like you would do a push-up on your knees. All right, so if you're in a high plank, and you're just going to do your planks that way. It's going to give you more stability on your knees. You're not going to have to really deal with as much balance and stability on your toes in a high plank position. All right, that's the first modification you can make. Second one is if you want to start with the higher plank, you don't want to do it on your knees, you can go a little bit wider feet, gives you more of a wider base to stabilize more. So usually you're in a high plank, your feet are about shoulder width apart. All right, so the modification you make is go wider feet so that you have more of a stable base. All right, so that's the second modification. The key thing here is always making sure you're in a strong plank position. All right, so no matter if you're doing or a straight back ab engaged position from your knees or out to the side, I want a strong flat plank position. All right, no hips down, no hips up. All right, strong plank position, and then you do your shoulder taps from there. All right, so that's the first step, or with the modifications. So once you're in that plank position, whichever one you're doing, I want you to focus on, before you go, I want you to practice power breathe, engage your core. So you're on the top of your plank position here. You engage, and then you, from here, you're stable, you're strong. Your elbow or your wrist, elbow and shoulder are lined up, stacked on each other. That's going to give you a strong base, a strong foundation. From here, you start to tap left, right, and then, of course, left, right, left, right, left, right. All right. So the reason we're engaging the core first is because that's what's stabilizing that's what giving you the stability. You're strong, you're planked, you're in that position. All right. So from the side, as you can see how it looks, it's like a crunch in the plank position. And this is how you should do when you're doing push-ups or anything from this position. So slight power breathe, hips forward, abs engaged. Now I'm locked and I'm tight here so that when I'm moving through the plank, I'm moving through the plank, while I'm moving through the plank position, doing my shoulder taps, I have a stable center because my core and my abs are engaged. That's why we're setting up. That's the second step, guys. It's important, all right? Locked, and then right, left. If my abs are relaxed, it'd be easier to just fall to the side. I want to brace my abs first, tight, and then left, right, left, right. We're maintaining a tight core and a strong plank position. All right. When you start to go dip your hips down or have to come up, the set's done. Don't do any more reps because it's low quality. You want good quality technique always. All right. So that's your shoulder tap, guys. And of course, last step is just shoulder tapping to the side. And you're going to left and right, but you want to go brief pause, not just quick, 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 quick. It's one thing that's, you know, that speed might help, that might contribute to your stability loss. But when you come up in a high plank position and you tap, just a brief pause, tap, 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 all right? That's gonna allow you to really focus on how my abs engage, is my stability there. Just a brief pause, tap, 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 just like that, guys. So that's an exercise. This shoulder tap exercise is something I want you to work on and do, because that's gonna help you get a stronger abs, stronger foundation and core in the high plank position, so that when you come to do other exercises, like for example, the mountain climber, you have a strong, stable stability foundation, or even the push-up, all right, you have a strong foundation and core from your shoulder taps to do strong push-ups, right? So that's all stemming from the push-up position, and this is just a variation of that. All right, so that's my shoulder tap video for today, guys. How to do the shoulder tap, how to do it well. Setup is important with my 2 modifications. Again, on the knees if you need to, or if you're on your high plank position, widen the feet to have more of a stable base. And then second is engage that core. Power breathe, like a hiss. You want your abs engaged, all right, nice and tight, all right? And then you go left, right, brief pause at the top. Those are my 3 steps, guys. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video, my shoulder tap, how to do it correctly, video, demonstration, and coaching. If you have any comments, leave them if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'd love to help you with that. Otherwise, guys, have an awesome day. Oh, real quick, if you want to pick up my 5 to 10 minute full body kettlebell finisher workout video, I put that in the description. It's going to absolutely free for you for any time you are limited on time and need to get a quick workout in and you have a kettlebell. You can grab that in the description below, all right? And something I also worked out that I'm proud of, I'm super excited about, is my full, it's just a quick, you know, sheet of my top 6 kettlebell exercises for men 35 plus to get fit, get strong, and be the best version of themselves they can be. 6 exercises that I use and why I use them and how they work and how they help you to get stronger, to get fitter, to lose over 35 pounds, which I did using these 6 kettlebell exercises, the foundations, how to do them right, why they work. Also, I threw in my mindset technique video, my mindset practice that I do for 10-15 minutes in the morning to get focused, to get my mind focused on what I want to do, channel focus, confident, and taking actions that I need to take to get the results that I want to get. Because at the end of the day, guys, consistency is key, and I want you to be consistent with your training, with what you're doing. And when you make that intention to give yourself 10, 15, 20 minutes in the morning to focus your mind and practice these mindset techniques, you're going to take the actions that you need to take. So if you're having any challenges with that or issues with that, then that's something I threw in for free as well with my 6-step kettlebell exercises, the top 6 kettlebell exercises. And that's absolutely free as well. Grab that if you want that to help you out as well, guys. So otherwise, have an awesome day. Train strong. I'll see you in the next video. If you like this video, or you, give me a like. Let me know what you thought. If you know anyone that can benefit from these exercises, let them know. Share it with them. And otherwise, guys, have an awesome day. Train strong. Get after it. Practice these shoulder tap exercises. I'll see you in the next video. Get after it. See you next time. Train strong. Go for what you want. Have an awesome day.